Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to look at this AI article writing tool called Writesonic. I was impressed about Writesonic as I had a look at it last time, and now I wanted to have a closer look at it for the purpose of article creation. Whom is it for? It's for writers, for e-commerce stores, it's for marketing teams, it's just for everyone. And I'm sure, as an online marketer, you need to come with content, you need to create a lot of content, and you need to be able to do it quickly. What can Writesonic write for you? And you would be impressed by looking at this overview. You can see how it works. You have a lot of testimonials from people using it. You have FAQs. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. But now let's proceed to the dashboard. I'm in the dashboard right now, and I'm at the dashboard of the Writesonic. And I mentioned Writesonic as one of the tools I recommend. Especially, you can use Writesonic for many different purposes, not just for article writing, but for Instagram captions, as a tweet generator, Facebook ads, Quora answers, Google ad title, Google ad description, and so on and so on. And in my last video, I used it for YouTube descriptions, YouTube ideas, and so on. It works as well. Great. But in this video, let's use the tool, the AI article writer. And I just click on it, and let's assume I want to write some article for my blog. And I'm in a fitness niche, and I want to write some article with the topic, say, fitness workout. And here you see you have the number of outputs you get. You can increase the outputs or decrease. I take 3 and click on generate ideas. And by the way, I can change the quality. I can take economy, average, good, or premium. With every use, you use the credits available on your plan. I just take economy. And we have 10 reasons why you should get into fitness. The second one, 7 fitness tips for beginners that will change your life. The third, exciting new ways to spice up your fitness routine. And if I'm not satisfied, I can click one more time, and I have some more ideas now. But let me take this one, and I click on generate intros. And let's quickly read through it. The fitness world is still a state of flux. The rising health and fitness consciousness has left some people feeling like they don't quite know what to do with themselves. Fitness seems like a great way to get healthy and lose weight, but it can also be downright intimidating. You first need to understand that fitness isn't just for the faint of heart or the weak of limb. There are a number of factors that go into getting into shape, from learning how to walk properly to understanding your goals and motivation. When you hear the following reasons why you should get into fitness, it feels like you have reached out of your own personal gym. Let's take a look at why you should get into fitness, shall we? It sounds pretty good, and while it makes perfect sense while you read it, I still want to read it through and see if there is some mistake. It cannot be 100% perfect. Also, it's recommended to add some personal touch, to use some of your own wordings, not just copy and paste. The second one, fitness is not something that you start at an early age and keep going for your entire life. It's a modern concept, and as such, it can be challenging for those who are just getting started with the healthy lifestyle. However, for people who want to be able to maintain their fitness levels throughout their lives, there are a number of benefits that come from getting into shape. Read on to know why you should get into fitness. And when you think of fitness, it's probably like there is a ton of options, from classes to DVDs to personal training. Many of us have something in common, but there is more to fitness than you just taking up the fitness genre and getting fitter. So let's take this one. And we have the intro here. Now the next step is to generate outlines. I click on generate outlines, and again we have 3 options, and see, they are really totally different. Sometimes it may be different wording but the same sense, but here we see it's quite different. Now let me take this one. Here we also have healthy eating habits that fits well into it as well, or losing weight. We can keep it as it is and click on generate, write an article. And you see we have the article created here. And of course I don't leave it like this. You see this is not 100% perfect. Here I would change to capital letters, and I'll see how I can change the wording to at my personal style. And while I read it through, it all makes perfect sense. The sentences are correct and grammarly, and maybe it's not 100% perfect. Maybe there are some spelling mistakes, but still this tool works pretty good, and the content is unique. And what we can do from here, we either click on this icon. This will save the article in the system, and we can find it under saved project later, or we click on download, and it's downloaded in the Word format to our laptop. No, it's actually really good. And so we have the article of 942 words, around 5 minutes of reading. We can add to your WordPress blog. But now let's check this text for plagiarism. We just copy and paste it into Copyscape, do a premium search, and you see there are no results found. This means this text is plagiarism free. This is great. So what we have, in a couple of clicks, we have the text written for us. And to make your blog post look more of quality and to have not just text but some images as well, you go to some website like unsplash.com, enter some keyword like fitness, and you see you get some really awesome pictures, images that you can put on your blog. All you do, you just choose the image and click on download for free. This is what I recommend to use. To go to such of these pages, there are similar other websites like pixabay.com. Just be careful to use those that are allowed for free. Just avoid making the mistake to go to Google, just type in some keyword and download one from there, as it might be under copywriting law, and you can get the issues while using it. And just to mention the pricing, you can start using it free. I also opened a free account, and I can use it as long as I have credits. If I need to create more content, I can consider to upgrade. And you have 3 different plans, and dependent on your billing, you can decide for annual billing or have to be charged on a monthly basis. And the monthly basis price is a little bit higher, and you can save if you decide for annual billing. The main difference is how many words you can use. If you reach the limit, you just wait for the next month or upgrade. But if you are just starting out, I recommend to use the second option. If you decide for annual billing, it's even cheaper. You can save 33%. This is, I think, all I wanted to tell you about Writesonic article writing tool, AI Article Writer 3.0. Thank you for watching. Click on thumb up below. If you are new, think to subscribe, and see you in my next video.